What if the world we live in is only a shadow of what technology once promised us? Imagine a world where energy is limitless. Diseases are vanquished and information flows freely without restriction. A world where innovation isn't throttled by corporate greed or political control. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Yet, for decades, there have been technologies that promised exactly that. Inventions so revolutionary, so transformative, that they could have reshaped society as we know it. But instead of being celebrated, these technologies were quietly buried, hidden from the public eye, and their creators silenced or discredited. Today, we dive into 5 such technologies that could have changed everything, but never did. The first of these lost innovations hails from the realm of energy. Picture a device that could harness the energy present in the vacuum of space itself. A machine that doesn't consume fuel in the traditional sense, but draws power from the very fabric of the universe. This concept, sometimes referred to as zero-point energy, emerged in theoretical physics long before any practical attempts were made. Inventors claimed they could create small devices that produced continuous, limitless energy without any input beyond a tiny spark to start the process. The promise was staggering: electricity without pollution, cars without fuel, homes powered indefinitely. But the idea was seen as a threat to the entire energy industry. Big oil, coal, and even government-funded energy research institutions recognized the implications immediately. If people could generate power independently, the centralized control of energy, and the billions of dollars that came with it, would vanish overnight. Many of the early prototypes were quietly acquired, or their funding withdrawn, and the inventors themselves were pressured into silence. Some even disappeared under mysterious circumstances. Today, you can still find whispers of these machines online, blurred schematics and videos, but the technology never reached the public. Moving from the invisible currents of energy to the physical realm, consider the world of medicine. Imagine a small device barely larger than a smartphone, capable of detecting diseases at the molecular level before any symptoms appear. Not only that, but this device could treat the disease instantly using targeted frequencies or electromagnetic pulses. Early versions of this idea were developed in the 20th century, and prototypes existed that claimed to cure cancer, eradicate viruses, and even reverse genetic disorders. Doctors and scientists who tested these machines often reported astonishing results. Patients who were given only months to live experienced full remission. Entire hospital wings were stunned by what they saw. Yet, pharmaceutical companies, whose profits rely heavily on long-term treatments and ongoing medications, saw these innovations as existential threats. Journals refused to publish studies, patents were denied or seized, and researchers were discredited. The technology still exists in some hidden labs, but the public never benefits. Imagine a world where cancer and viral epidemics were curable in days rather than decades. A world that almost existed but was systematically blocked. From health to communication, the third technology is something almost everyone encounters daily, though they may not realize its potential was suppressed. The supercomputer-brain interface. Decades before modern virtual reality headsets and neural implants, scientists were experimenting with devices capable of directly linking the human brain to computers. This wasn't just about typing with your mind, it was about sharing thoughts instantly, transferring skills directly from one person to another, or storing memories outside the body. Early prototypes allowed people to control machines purely through thought, and even small experiments suggested memory transfer was possible. Governments and corporations initially funded research, seeing military applications but soon realized the social ramifications. A technology that allowed minds to connect directly could disrupt economies, control systems, and even power structures. Once again, Progress slowed, projects were classified, and the world never saw what could have been a revolution in human cognition and collaboration. Our fourth technology returns to the mysterious world of anti-gravity. Imagine a vehicle that hovers effortlessly, powered by principles that mainstream physics refuses to accept. Several inventors in the mid-20th century claim to have developed anti-gravity devices, some small enough for cars, others large enough for aircraft. These machines required no traditional fuel, emitted no pollution, and could theoretically travel at incredible speeds. When prototypes were demonstrated, witnesses described them as otherworldly, almost like something from science fiction. The problem was that governments quickly realized the implications for warfare and energy control. Anti-gravity technology could render tanks, jets, and oil-based vehicles obsolete overnight. Many of the inventors mysteriously vanished, patents were suppressed, and evidence was hidden. Today, UFO enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists point to these early experiments as the origin of the flying saucer phenomenon. Whether true or exaggerated, the fact remains. The potential for free, efficient, revolutionary transport exists, but humanity never had the chance to embrace it fully. Finally, we turn to information and knowledge itself, the most intangible yet transformative technology of all. Imagine a global system that could store and transmit knowledge with absolute security, accessible to anyone, anywhere, instantly. This goes beyond the internet as we know it, beyond cloud storage. Early concepts for such systems existed, ranging from advanced data encryption to fully autonomous artificial intelligence archives. They could predict trends, solve complex problems, and offer insights to individuals without gatekeepers. But centralized powers saw this as a threat to control. Access to knowledge is power, and allowing unrestricted, unfiltered information would undermine political, corporate, and even social hierarchies. As a result, many early experiments were either absorbed into secretive projects or completely destroyed. The internet we know today, while revolutionary, is only a shadow of the possibilities these hidden systems promised. In another world, we could have had a digital ecosystem that was truly egalitarian and universally empowering. Looking at these 5 technologies together, limitless energy, miraculous medical devices, direct brain-computer interfaces, anti-gravity transport, and universal knowledge systems, one thing becomes clear. The world we live in is shaped not only by what we discover, but by what is deliberately hidden. History is full of inventions that, if released, could have shifted the balance of power, freed humanity from scarcity, and redefined the boundaries of possibility. Yet for every step forward, there were forces determined to pull us back, ensuring the status quo remained intact. It is tempting to dismiss these stories as conspiracy or to believe that humanity was simply not ready. But the evidence, patents seized, laboratories shut down, researchers silenced, paints a different picture. It suggests a pattern. Whenever a technology emerges with the potential to empower individuals rather than institutions, it is either co-opted or suppressed. And perhaps this is the lesson of the hidden technologies. The greatest innovations are not just about invention, but about freedom. They are about the choice to let humanity see its own potential, to allow the impossible to become reality. So, the next time you flick on a light, take a ride in a car, or consult your phone for answers, remember that the world you inhabit is only one version of what could have been. There exists a hidden history of ideas, dreams, and inventions that never saw the light of day. And while we may never know the full truth of what was buried, we can still dream. And maybe, just maybe, continue the work of those who dared to imagine a world without limits. Because the technologies that were hidden from us are not gone forever. They exist in the whispers of old patents, in the sketches of forgotten inventors, and in the curiosity of those who refuse to accept the boundaries set by others. And if history has taught us anything, it's that ideas, once born, are almost impossible to kill. The world we could have had? A world of endless energy, instantaneous knowledge, perfect health, and freedom of movement may still be waiting. And one day, someone might just uncover it.